Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for comprehensive reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we're diving deep into the world of thermal paste with a close look at the Arctic MX-6 Ultimate Performance Thermal Paste. Yes, thermal paste might not be the flashiest tech item, but it plays a crucial role in keeping our computers cool and running efficiently. Stick around to learn how the Arctic MX-6 can make a significant difference in your PC's performance. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Arctic MX-6 thermal paste. While it might seem like a small component, it's vital for keeping your CPU temperatures in check. As we open the package, you'll see that this thermal paste is designed with performance in mind. The Arctic MX-6 is a carbon filler-based thermal paste. It doesn't rely on expensive additives like diamond dust or precious metals to deliver top-notch performance. Instead, it focuses on a well-balanced formula that maximizes heat transfer without burning it. The silicone gel used as a carrier ensures optimal distribution, which is critical when mounting heat sinks. One of the standout features of the Arctic MX-6 is its impressive 20% improvement in thermal performance compared to its predecessor, the MX-4. This enhanced performance translates into better heat dissipation, which is essential for maintaining lower temperatures in your PC. With over 2 decades of experience in the PC cooling market, Arctic has a reputation for delivering quality thermal pastes. The MX-6 is no exception. It's built on the success of the MX-4 and aims to provide users with a first-class product that's easy to apply. The MX-6's new composition makes it versatile and suitable for various applications. Its non-drying and non-bleeding properties ensure long-term, consistent performance. It's even suitable for direct die cooling scenarios, which are common in graphics cards and console processors. Worried about counterfeit products? Arctic has you covered with an authenticity check to ensure you're getting the real deal. Plus, MX-6 is easy to apply. It's neither electrically conductive nor capacitive, eliminating the risk of short circuits or damage to your components. Arctic offers MX-6 in various package sizes, ranging from 2 to 8 grams. Resealable syringes prevent the paste from drying out and make dispensing a breeze. You can also opt for variants that come with MX Cleaner, a natural substance obtained from citrus essential oil, which simplifies the cleaning of contact surfaces. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate Arctic's legacy. As a leader in low-noise PC cooling solutions, the company has been shaping the trend towards quiet and efficient cooling systems for nearly 2 decades. They've won over PC enthusiasts in more than 45 countries with their innovative and user-friendly products. That concludes our in-depth look at the Arctic MX-6 Ultimate Performance Thermal Paste. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights, and we'll catch you in the next video. This is Product Critique, signing off.